Is my face in?
No.
Alright, so, okay, we're just gonna get straight into this then. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a workout. It's, actually, here. Let me start with a little bit of an explanation. So, I haven't posted in a long time for two reasons. One, I herniated a disc in my spine, couldn't lift other than arms for a long time, and then after that I got a job and didn't have time to edit or record anything, so I was kind of having to work out really early. But now that it's summer, uploads will be more consistent. We have this man behind the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
And, that was a little fruity, but so we're just gonna start out with all my pre-workout stuff. As you guys know, can't live without it. We got all these nootropics and stuff. We got salt. Hang on. We got okay. So let's see here. So I guess we can just show L-theanine. It's nootropic, and I'm not going to get into it. That's too much explaining. So I'm going to take 500 milligrams, which is a lot, but that's how we do. Then that's how we do. That's kind of sure. Then 2 alpha GPC. This is how many milligrams? 600 milligrams alpha GPC. Bam. 400 micrograms huperzine A. Bam. Then we'll do 600 milligrams CDP choline. Bam.
Attempted suicide?
No. And then arachidonic acid. So I made a TikTok on this a while ago, but basically it's going to give you insane pumps. It's going to cause inflammation in the muscle. And basically I take it because it gives you the most insane pumps of your life. You'll take this before you take photos and you'll look twice as big. So I'm going to take 2 of these, which is also a lot. That's 1,400 milligrams. And then, so those are the pills I'll be starting with. Now that we got that out of the way, we will, oh gosh, this will be the worst part. Fill this. With water. Convict Pre. This is literally Euphoria in a powder. It's the most euphoric feeling pre-workout I've ever tried. So definitely recommend this if you're going for the Euphoria effect, which is pretty much why I take pre-workout. So yeah, this is like the best stuff I've ever had. So let me, 1, 2, do 2 scoops. And it's a 2 scoop serving. 50 servings of 1 scoop or 25 of 2. So, and it tastes like battery acid, but it's alright. My mom tasted this morning and said it tastes good. She said that this is like the best tasting thing she's had. So.
Well, you're right. It tastes like battery acid.
Yeah, thank you. Hear it from Clint.
I don't know why I know what that tastes like.
Can't forget the alkaline juice. Gonna drink that for the sugar. Also tastes good. So. Okay.
Yummer.
It's gonna make me gag, dude. Okay.
Chug. Get ready for the battery acid.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. There's still quite a bit in there, Mike.
No, but
just get the rest of it.
it's not that bad when you do more water, actually.
Oh, dang.
That's pretty good when you do more water.
Yeah, maybe it was too concentrated when we were
Yeah, we used sticking like 4 ounces of water
Yeah.
in the scoop. Yeah, that's it tastes like juice. That's not bad. Dry scooping is horrible. Dry scooping, you're gonna die.
Alright.
Okay, and for the last part.
It smells good.
Yeah, no, when you mix it with more water, that's not bad. For the last part here, I'll just use this scooper. Pink Himalayan sea salt for pump, hydration, all that kind of fun jazz.
Bulgarian.
Yeah, Bulgarian. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's about all I'm gonna do. Also, so we're gonna find some fun to do with these. Or we'll just eat them pre-workout. Yeah, I think we should.
Nice. Eat that Bulgarian. Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna refill this and we'll be right back.
That's so nice. We've lost Alright, what am I dry scooping?
Why are we so red? I don't know why, but everything's red here.
I don't know. Dude, what is in there?
It's just
A whole box of donuts?
no, it's candy.
Alright, what? Just one scoop of this?
Yeah, careful. It might go
Remember when
far.
I tried to open that one upside down?
Yes, dude. You're like, I wasn't actually gonna open it.
No, I wasn't.
Before I tried to open that one upside down.
Alright, that should be good. Skinny boy fitness.
There you go.
Yeah. Alright. That's how you get stereo. Alright.
Chug it. It's way better, I promise. Tastes like juice.
Well, things I just ate some gum and it's
Oh, that's gonna suck. It's fine. Just go for it.
Ah, that hurts.
But it's way better, huh?
Yeah, it's good.
It doesn't taste like dog crap.
It's too cold because of that.
Because of the gum, yeah.
I have like 3 pieces of it.
Yeah, I know you kept chewing them and then just throwing them after 5 minutes.
Well, I mean, they lose their flavor.
Yeah, because it's the 35-cent gum. Now, yeah, make sure, now take the cap off or the lid off and then finish drinking that. Yeah, that way you get all the little bits in it. Oh shoot, we were supposed to do half a scoop of that. Because it's a full scoop plus your energy drink.
I'm about to die.
No! Oh my gosh, I just
Dude, I had
realized.
a mega crash yesterday when I got home.
Oh, you did?
I fell asleep at like 8 o'clock last night.
Yeah, no, I crashed at work.
Yeah.
I was at work and
I work in a few hours.
nootropics, they help your brain. They don't like give you I can smell that. Ew. They don't give you energy or anything. It's literally just for brain health. And that, I want you to take that.
No.
1 pill, 1.
No.
Oh my gosh.
What is this?
Alpha GPC.
Alpha GPC.
It's good for your brain. It helps you focus.
Anything else good for your brain?
Take 1.
Take 1.
Yeah. And then take 1 of each of those pills.
I'm already
I know you're already vibrating. See, the caffeine's kicking in.
vibrating like that.
No, stop. Yeah, so take 1 L-theanine, 1 huperzine, where's the choline?
Cooper.
1 choline.
Hold on, I'm gonna wait for the beat drop in my song. I'm gonna take all these at once.
Okay. Yeah, take 1 of the pink ones and 1 of this one right here, and then a little bit of salt.
Salt.
Yeah, because
The Bulgarian salt.
Himalayan.
Bulgarian.
Okay. If for those of you guys who don't know,
It's an inside joke.
he's always called it Bulgarian salt because he can never remember Himalayan. Oh no, yeah, take that. You haven't taken that yet.
What?
Yeah.
What if I actually did?
Huh, no, then nothing. I've taken 5 of those before. It just helps you with motivation. I've noticed.
Sounds like my doctor. Like,
take this one. Take this one.
this will help you with this. This will help you with that. All right.
You want to fountain my water?
Yeah. It's not a. Well, what does Jacob call it?
I feel like I'm floating.
A sippy or
A birdie.
A birdie?
Yeah, okay, guys, put in the comments. Do you
It's a
call
waterfall.
here? Do this. Like, show them. Do you call that a birdie or a waterfall or something else? Because one of our friends calls it a birdie, and I've always called it a waterfall. So,
Right.
yeah, don't take the salt yet. Take the pills first. Take the pills first.
All right.
Put some mouth on it. Dang it, Quinn. Oops.
Sorry, I'll wash it off for you.
It's fine. You can just.
I brushed my teeth.
Dang it, Quinn.
I'm
Okay.
sure it's clean.
It's
Fresh out of the
I'm
wash.
gonna wash it anyways. Okay, hang on.
My taste buds.
Yeah, no, it like fries your taste buds. You're shaking really bad.
Yeah.
I feel the
It's
euphoria.
like
I feel like
crap.
I'm floating. Drink, and then drink one more. Yep. Oh shoot, you didn't take one of these though.
I don't want to.
No, do it. I promise you you'll
I'm fine. I've taken too much stuff already.
Quinn, this is literally a fatty acid. That's all it is. It's an omega-6 fatty acid. I take these daily. Well, no, I don't. But I take them like once a week, and it helps your workout so much, I promise you. Just take one. You don't have to take 2. 2 is too...
Black pills? No.
No, 2 is way too strong for you to start out with, so I would definitely start with 1. Because as you work out, your body gets depleted of that, and that's part of the reason your newbie gains stop. So when you...
Dang, I'm shaking too much.
So,
Oh gosh, they're all under here.
okay. Bam! So, the last part for pre-workout, we have larvettes. So, we're going to be eating bugs for our pre-workout. So, okay. Why did I walk over here? I should walk over here. Okay, so, opening them up. Oh shoot, okay. I don't know how this opens. Like this? Yep, okay.
They smell like crap.
Oh gosh. So, these are all the mealworms. So, see these guys? Oh gosh, dude, there's guts coming out.
Ew.
No! No, get off.
Gross.
Okay, well, full send. Full send. Ahead.
How do they taste? Like nothing?
Like potato chips.
What?
With a little bit of a salty, Try some.
Mm-mm.
Do it.
Mm-mm.
Come on.
I'm gonna puke.
For the gains. Here, I'll record. Hang on, I'll record.
Oh gosh.
Hang on, not yet. Go. See, they're not bad. They're kind of offsetting though.
Like, if you fed it to me and I didn't know what it was, I would say it's good.
Yeah, but because you know it's a bug.
Yeah. So I mean,
Oh, okay,
I'm
fine.
having one. Now, if I was starving in the middle of the woods, I'd have them.
Yeah. Okay. Well, record this because I'm about to. It won't focus.
Heck of. Dude.
Oh, now I take the ball.
Yeah.
It's so off.
Yeah.
I'm eating larva.
Yeah. They have to have like cleaned them somehow. You can't just like kill them and.
Oh, I can't get that down without water. Look at the game.
Sheesh.
If someone said 3 years from now, you'd be long gone, stand up and punch them out, 'cause they're all wrong. I know better, 'cause you said forever and ever. You know. If someone said 3 years from now, you'd be long gone, stand up and punch them out, 'cause they're all wrong. I know better, 'cause you said forever and ever. Who knows?
Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.